Hey guys, it's Brittany here from Empire Chevrolet Buick in Wilkesboro, North Carolina. This is our 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 heavy duty diesel engine DURAMAX with the matching Allison transmission. So this is the crew cab with the Z71 off-road package. This is an LTZ. You've got your running boards or your step assists. You have your power seats, power windows, power locks, leather interior. You have your sunroof and your rear entertainment system. Your back seats fold up for more storage space. We have navigation. You have your weather, traffic alerts. You have your heated and ventilated seats. You have your lane keep assist, your pedal adjusters, you have your CD player here, sunglass holder, sunroof, have your wireless charging pad. A lot of extra space in there. You have a hookup here. Hookups here. You have a lot of charging options here. You have your dual climate controls. This is where you connect your phone for Bluetooth. You have extra storage space here. You also have your Bose stereo system and your Z71 door sill plates. This truck also has Bluetooth. It also comes with a heated steering wheel and forward collision alert. You also have your backup camera and your parking assist. Any questions, give us a call at 336-838-2191.